drug dealer. Here we go. Here we go. Dollar Tree, boarded up, or taped up. They're not messing around with their inventory either. Good work, Dollar Tree. I like what you got going on. Oh, here we go. Rent-A-Center. Not gonna have looters. Good work, Rent-A-Center. Everybody, Hunan Delight. Shoe Depot. They got nice green tape. Let's see, what do we got?
I can't wait for you to play this back so that you can see and hear how much you and your Aunt Cindy or Aunt Pat are exactly alike. Oh, good job there. Got that boarded up. I would have done the same thing. Oh, my heavens. They're thinking just like us. They're thinking just like us.
Ruby Tuesdays! Wisen up! Wisen up. Board it up.
Cindy or Pat.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
City Trends, not boarded up.
Hello, City Trends, not boarded up. Hello, good thing you got that tape on your windows. Hello. God.
I can't wait to look back at this so you can see how much you sound like my Uncle Dan.
Oh. You can't blame that on me.
Well, who do I blame it on? You're not even related to him.
I'm acting like you. Oh, Domino's, get it together. Hello.
Oh no, Domino's, get it together.
Whoa, whoa, Domino's.
Nobody's boarded up over there. God sakes.
Turn that thing off, Sarah, before I hit you with it.
I love this camera.